see if the sound is okay. Let's see if the sound. Okay. Good morning to everyone. It's Wednesday morning here. Ah, what a night. Bitcoin dumped because of some wars, whale wars between Binance and FTX. But let's see what we have in the charts, regardless of this whale wars. So if I see the weekly, let me start from the weekly. The weekly is not looking, it looked bullish, there was divergence, and I was saying in the past days, in the past videos, that be careful because we're in the red money fall, we're thick in the red on the weekly money fall, and we might have a few green weekly candles and then get rejected, which is it seems what is happening right now. If we can see the VWAP, we are getting rejected, the Heikin Ashi is turning red. So this might be the last wave that I have been waiting, Bitcoin capitulation event that I have been waiting for nearly 3 months, from June, maybe even more. So yeah, it's nice to see. It's time to see a resolution. On the daily, we see that the daily had a bearish divergence, so price went higher, momentum went lower. So this is bearish divergence here. The money flow didn't even go to the green, which yeah, might suggest that we get this final dump to 13-14k. And I'll be a buyer. I'll be a buyer at this level if it goes there. And I'm going to buy incrementally to the downside, depending on where Bitcoin is heading. Basically, I want to wait for the dump. Now on the 4 hour, we see some momentum is very in the red. I mean below the zero line, very deep, 91. So that's very deep momentum. Even if we go up with this green dot, we can go up to 50 level, 40 level, and then start dumping again. So we have to be very careful. I want to see first a divergence on the 3 hour, bullish divergence for going long. Right now I'm not doing any longs. I think we have to look for shorts, not for longs. On the 1 hour, wow, money flow is nearly 50. That's quite bad for Bitcoin, quite bad, very bearish. And yeah, we'll see what happens, but probably we're going to go up a little bit more and then have a red dot and start dumping again. This is what I think is the most likely scenario, but we'll see what happens. Nobody has a crystal ball. On the 30-minute we're even starting to get this dump. On the 15-minute we have a red dot. So let's see the other charts, but maybe it's a good idea to go short, or at least see some reaction to this Tenkan Sen at 18.8, and then what is very bearish that 18.5 was support, and we broke through it, we sliced through it, we hit lower low, which was 16.9, and now we're consolidating, and guess what is going to come next? We are below. Now this support is resistance, we are testing this as resistance, and if we test this successfully as resistance at 8.5, guess what, we're going down after that. So I think we should be looking for shorts really. No longs. Let's be honest. No longs. Wow, we broke through the Tenkan Sen at 20k on the 6 hour. This is crazy. Huge volume. Huge volume and wow. So that was a good long opportunity, but you don't know where Bitcoin will stop. A lot of people thought it would stop at 18.5 as previous support. We broke through it, so I'm not really betting on the long side right now. Although we have this on the daily, we're beyond the Bollinger band, and we might go up even to 19.5, 20k again, and get rejected from the cloud. But we definitely broke through the Ichimoku cloud on the daily, which is very bearish. So even if we go up a little bit, it won't be too much. So let's see what is happening here. My favorite indicator. It seems that we are finally bottoming here on the Bitcoin price interest over time on Google Trends. And yeah, if we already bottomed here and we start going up, then we have a long way until 100. So this will take a while. It will take probably 1 or 2 weeks more of dump, of continuously dumping, not one dump, but continuously going down, stare down, not stare up, but stare down. Yeah. Do we have the volume delta here? It's not loading. Anyway, we broke through the support, as you can see clearly. So now this is resistance. Let's see what we have here. This is a little bit bullish divergence. We might go up a little bit more. Of course, I'm not betting on it because Bitcoin looks very bearish. Yeah, so that's it really. What happens? Don't look for longs. Look for shorting. Be careful, however, because we might print some volatility candles to the upside, wreck a lot of people shorting, late shorts, and then go down. So this is what's happening, and it would be interesting. Finally, some movement and volatility in Bitcoin. Have a good Wednesday ahead.